This bird can literally steal any sound it hears. This weird-looking bird is called the lyrebird, and it might be the best copycat on Earth. Most birds just chirped. This guy, it can copy car alarms, camera clicks, chainsaws, and even human sounds. No joke. Scientists have literally recorded lyrebirds sounding like construction sites. And here's the creepy part. Sometimes they copy sounds so perfectly, you genuinely can't tell it's fake. Why? To impress females. Yup, bro wants sound effects just to get a date. Nature is wild.